Look what I got.
Whoa! Whoa! Let me see. Bet you've never seen anything like that before, huh, Barnhill? Probably don't know anything about the birds and the bees, you butthead.
Oh, and you do?
Yeah, that's right, I do.
Oh, yeah? Go ahead and explain it to us.
Well, I know it's about making babies, and that it takes a man and a woman to make it work right, and that they both have to go into a room, and they both take their shirts off. No.
The man doesn't have to take his shirt off.
Just the woman.
Oh.
Hey, what do you kids got there? Give me that. You guys shouldn't be looking at this stuff.
Spider? Could you tell us about the birds and the bees? Spider,
I don't think I'm really the right person to do it.
But it says in the manual that the scout leader is supposed to tell us about that kind of stuff.
Really?
Yeah! Really! Yeah?
Well, if it says in the manual, I guess. All right. All right. Hey, let me borrow your dollies, honey. Okay. Now, once upon a time, there was a man dolly, and there was a lady dolly. And they fell in love. Work it, baby! Work it! Oh, that's good! Oh, that's it! Oh, right there! Oh, that's good! oh, that's it! Oh, yeah! Oh, that's how Daddy likes it! Everybody start your engines! Ooga! Then, the man has a cigarette, watches a little Leno, and goes to sleep. Any questions?